Hello and welcome to TOS Sports. New avatar, English cricket, still busy. Lots happening. India tour of England is over, but with the summer still in effect, with the family still out and about, the cricket caravan has moved to the 100. The tournament that started in 2021, but the first time that IPL teams and their investments will be visible with the name changes as well. Oval Invincibles are now MI London, three-time defending champions. The Northern Superchargers are Sunrisers Leeds, the team behind the Sunrisers Hyderabad. Manchester Originals are now Manchester Super Giants. And lastly, Southern Braves. There is no name change there, but GMR Group, the team that co-owns Delhi Capitals, getting involved there. So that is as far as the IPL involvement in the 100 is concerned. But more importantly, this is a very different vibe. What we saw during India's tour of England, the summer is still important, but everything changes. The expensive tickets, which sort of restricts everyone's movement, that changes. The teams, the families can move about. An entire family can see a game for as little as £55. Adult tickets sometimes go for 40. For kids, it goes for £5 to £10. So the environment is very different. It's very family friendly. You will see a lot of families out and about. There is a family section here at the Kia Oval. And the caravan will move around England. English cricket also seeing 50 over cricket going on locally. But as far as ECB's money-making concerns and efforts are concerned, the 100 is right up there. And we'll show you how everything is very different with the 100. We'll just take the camera around and show you how the atmosphere is very different from what you will see in the IPL. I've been to the SA20 also. The atmosphere is very chill, atmosphere is very family oriented, atmosphere is very summery. There is a lot of drinks, there is a lot of good food happening, different variety of food, very British feel to this tournament. And it's starting in the format that it's always had. Double headers, women playing and men playing on the same day. The tournament moves around and then goes through multiple cities with every team involved, the 8 teams involved, and then reaches August 16 when the final will take place, also in a double-header format. Maybe something that for the BCCI and the IPL authorities to consider. Maybe have like a WPL and an IPL at the same time. Not easier said than done, obviously, but stay with our focus of the 100 and the vibe that we get here. So let me take the camera for a spin and show you what the 100 and the mood during the 100 is all about.